Hello Central Florida, my name's Mauro Costa, your luxury home specialist, bringing yet another great property here in Windermere. This property sits on a 1.2 acre lot, offers 7,000 square feet of AC living. It's 6 bedrooms, 6.5 baths, 4-car garage, and has a casita, pool, and a beautiful yard. Come on in, let's take a look. So this particular property has over $120,000 just in landscaping alone. You'll see all of the thought that went into this home is absolutely amazing, and I think you're gonna love it. All right guys, welcome in. So this is the foyer here. It opens right up into the family living area. It's got a beautiful chandelier right above and gorgeous light fixtures that you'll see throughout the whole home as we go throughout. As you come in, you're welcomed by a beautiful fireplace and a gorgeous porcelain wall and a really good size TV opening, which is 85 inches. Now, as you can see behind me, when you enter into the home, your eyes are completely drawn right up to the outside in an artificial turf in the pool, which is extremely inviting. And as we go over into the kitchen area, you'll find a dining area off to the side. Beautiful double island with this waterfall quartz island. Black cabinetry, which I absolutely love. And then wrapped in white and beautiful top of the line Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances. As you look above, you'll also notice beautiful wood painted beams that accentuate the ceiling area and break up the rooms. Well, a home of this nature has to have everything. So it does have a coffee maker right over here, a great sized pantry with beautiful shelving and a drop zone as we go off to the main garage. And right by the garage, you have this really good sized laundry room. There's a lot of great thought that went into this. For dog lovers, it's got a dog wash. It also has an extra space for a refrigerator to go in here if you have a large family. Now this is my favorite part of the house because it is really built for entertaining. But before we go there, I want to take you over to the business part of the house. Let's go to the office and the master suite. As we're walking down this beautiful long hallway, you'll notice the staircase that goes up. It's got gorgeous railings that I think you'll absolutely love. And the office is nicely located to where you can see the front of the home for deliveries and packages, but also you can see what you're working for, which is really the beauty in the back. All right guys, now let's go into the master suite. The first thing that you're gonna notice is this beautiful chandelier, but you don't need to have that fancy headboard because this is kind of your focal piece as you step into the master suite. You've got a beautiful breakfast bar here just in case you wanted to have some coffee alone in the morning or grab a bottle of water at night. It's very easily accessible to you right by your bedside. Now, as we lead into the master bath, you will notice an absolutely huge master closet. Now, as we head into the master bath suite, you'll obviously notice this gorgeous black wall, which is a great accent piece, and then this beautiful chandelier. You also have gorgeous floating cabinetry on both sides, along with these full-length mirrors from left to right, with lights built into them. As we go a little bit further, this is actually one of my favorite pieces of the house itself. You've got an indoor-outdoor shower. You've got body jets. Temperature is controlled right here. Everything is done digitally. And you also have this huge rain shower head. Now, if you wanted to venture out to the outdoors, you just open up the slider here and you have dual showers out here with a privacy wall, but you've got a very therapeutic AstroTurf here, so feel great on your feet and give you that kind of zen feeling. All right guys, well, let's take a look at the second floor to take a look at the 3 bedrooms that are up there, as well as the loft area. See you up there. Look at these beautiful railings. I think they've done such a great job of making this a very beautiful artistic piece. Now, as you get upstairs, the first room that you're going to encounter is the loft area. Now, this loft area would be great to use for somebody to have a secondary TV area, but also it has an absolutely amazing, breathtaking view of this 1.2 acre lot, the pool, the fireplace, hot tub. It's just beautiful. As we enter into Suite 1, you'll notice that this also has a beautiful view of the backyard. But all these rooms have their own bath with showers, walk-in closets that are built in. They've done a really, really good job of thinking about the secondary bedrooms as well. All right, guys, wanted to show you one other suite up here, and this one actually has its own beautiful balcony which overlooks Lake Butler. And if we take a look out here, we're actually going to see Michael out here shooting still photos. So there's a lot of work that goes into these videos and also pictures. All right, guys, now getting over a little bit closer to the fun part of the house. We are going to make a couple of stops along the way. The pool bath, the powder bath, or the common bath. Now, this room absolutely pops. The tile is all marble. Pieces are less than a ½ inch a piece, all put together by hand. So it's really, really amazing. We've got a beautiful mirror that was actually a restoration hardware mirror. So again, all the quality and the detail that you would expect in a home like this. As we enter into the fun part, now this is the bonus room. This room is absolutely massive. As you can see, it's got a bar along with a sub-zero refrigerator here for you to keep refreshments. And it also opens right up to the outside. But before we get there, we've got to hit the theater. The theater is also huge. You can probably fit 12 to 15 people in here. It's set up for a projector as well as a 110-inch screen. You can go bigger if you'd like to. Well, as we take a look outside, guys, we've got these beautiful power screens here that'll enclose this area. So if you're having a dinner party or something like that at night and you want to keep the bugs out, you can close them out. Or if it's a beautiful day in Florida like it is in most days like today, you can open them up. Now, as we step over here, again, the thought that has gone into this house, I think, is the thing that we need to concentrate on. You have every appliance out here that you can imagine. You have an outdoor dishwasher. You've got an ice maker. You've also got another fridge here, a dual burner, Wolf burner, and then as well as a beautiful 36-inch grill. Top of the line appliances, and just thought of everything. You can leave your dishes out here at all times, have them clean and dirty. Also, the beautiful TV area with this gorgeous fireplace that you can see here. I mean, I can see myself hanging out here and just, enjoying the elements out here. Now, as we step up right over here, we have the casita, which is sort of a detached structure, and it can be used in many different ways. You can use this as a secondary bedroom or an adult child. It can also be a nanny suite, maybe an in-law suite. You have family that comes over internationally. So a lot of great things. The space is very, very big, and it has a little breakfast bar here with gorgeous views of the outside. And if I haven't mentioned it already, it does also have its own bathroom. So now I'm going to take you over to the pool area, kind of the fun part, but as you're going there, you're going to also see this. This is the outdoor shower for everybody else. And then you've got this beautiful AstroTurf here, which wraps the whole pool area. The pool is absolutely huge, and the thought process of this has also been very well thought out. As you look right over here, you have the staircase, which is next to the entertainment area. So if the kids are playing on the staircase, they're going to be very close to you and nearby. You also have another sun shelf over on the right side of the pool, So if you wanted to sunbathe and things like that. And then for those nights that you want to have those dinner parties, you've got this gorgeous fireplace that can fit about 25 people. And you'll see what I mean by how big it is. I mean, it's massive. All right, guys, well, this is kind of the end of our tour almost, but you've got this beautiful hammock here, great for reading and just relaxation, and you've got nature all around you. As I mentioned to you before, you've got over $120,000 worth of landscaping, so you're completely privatized all over the place. And as always, thanks so much for watching the video and taking the time out to view this beautiful property. If you want more information or a private tour, give me a call at 321-231-6800. See you next time.